What is going on, guys? Today we are back with another video, and today's gonna be a little different. Today is actually my first day of college, so it's rough. But right now it's like 6:45. My first class starts at like 8:15, so we'll be there. I'll just film me driving and stuff, and when I get there, see how it goes. And then I have like a 2-hour break in between my next class, so we could go somewhere and explore. Everybody over here is doing great though. Today we're actually doing a water change once I get back from school. I cleaned their water out yesterday. Everybody's been fed. Everybody's doing good. These guys ate yesterday. You can see some leftovers in there. Have to clean that out, but they're doing great. Box turtles, they have been breeding, so hopefully get some more eggs in the future. They're also doing really well. Can't wait for that egg to hatch. Geckos down there doing good too, so let's grab this, head to the car, and let's go. So we just got back to the house. I just got out of school, but peeped the new drip. Shirt's fire. Just bought some shirts today at the shop. But my package actually came in today too. So we're gonna be opening that up and setting this up right here. But so basically for these guys, since the weather is getting colder now, the humidity isn't staying up as much anymore, and my room isn't as warm and humid as it used to be, which was like, it was perfect for them. And so now that it's getting colder out, I went and bought a humidifier for them. So we're just gonna put some towels up on here, put the humidifier up on top, and it has a tube that connects to go down to here, so they're gonna love that. So let's go and set that up. Alright guys, so we just went and set everything up. These guys are here. Humidifier is all plugged in, ready to go. Let's get this out of here before that falls in. Don't mind my bed, it's a mess right now. But right here we also have some Missouri for them. I'll probably get them that tomorrow. But this thing's all ready to go. I couldn't stick the tube to the side, it kept popping off. These little things right here, so we're just gonna have it like that for now. Shoot it right in. But right here is a little dial, so I guess when the water starts to get low, let me see the focus really quick. Come on. Alright, so I guess when the water is low, the little light right there will turn red. But I'm just going to turn this thing on. I don't know what setting I'm gonna put it on just yet. That is its highest right there. So we're probably gonna go maybe like in the middle. So that is off. So this is, it's like just about the middle right there. This little dial's confusing actually. So that is right there, that's off. And then all the way on is right there. So we're gonna put it like right there. See, they're already moving around. This big guy is just sitting there. So that's how it feels. Alright, well, we'll give it some time, see if the humidity boosts up in there. So yeah, it's the little humidifier we got. And next video is probably going to be a video on me doing a water change for this guy. or for these guys in here. So we're gonna go and unplug the filter. We're gonna go downstairs, clean out the filter, everything, and then do a 25% water change for them. It'll help clear up the water a little bit. But other than that, everybody else seems to be doing good. Got my 2 females back there, and my 1 male. Have to go and clean out their water bowl again. I just did it yesterday morning. I think it's dirty now. But one thing we can go and check is the crested gecko enclosure. See if we have any eggs yet. I've been waiting for a few days now, but it doesn't look like we have any yet. They might be done breeding for a while actually, so might not have any more babies for a little bit. Doesn't look like we have anything. No eggs, but that's alright. Give my females some time off, boost up their weight a little more. This little egg over here seems to be doing good. I threw out the other 2 that were in there just because you can just tell they weren't fertile. They were starting to smell a little bit and they were just orange. But this one's looking great. So here in the next few weeks, we're gonna have a baby box turtle hatching out, hopefully, which is going to be amazing. I'll make sure to make a video on that for you guys. Alright guys, so that's pretty much gonna close out the video for today. It was a different video, so I might start doing some vlogs here and then. A few minutes away from my school, actually, there's a pet store that I might do a tour of this probably next week after I get out of class. I get out early, or maybe tomorrow actually, because I get out at 10 tomorrow, so I might go there and do a little tour, show off all the animals. You never know, I might get something. I've never been there before, so we'll see. Stay tuned, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and see you guys on the next one.